Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this session, we are going to discuss about today's current affairs. This is part 2 of February 2, 2021 current affairs. In this session, we are going to focus only on Chabahar Port. Recently, the government of India delivered 2 cranes for the Chabahar port that is located in Iran. Now, this is based on the India-Iran agreement that was signed in 2016. According to the agreement, India agreed to deliver equipment to the port that are worth 85 million USD. So why now? After 5 years, why has the government delivered the cranes now? Because after Joe Biden, the current US president, won the elections, he announced that he is to ease down the sanctions that were imposed on Iran. Around October-November 2020, the former President Donald Trump, US President, had imposed sanctions on Iran for their nuclear proliferation. Also, he said that he is to withdraw from the JCPOA. JCPOA is an agreement. It is Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Now, the current US President Joe Biden has said that he is to rejoin this agreement. Now, let us discuss what is JCPOA. It was an agreement that was signed between Iran and P5 countries. Germany, European Union in 2015. P5 countries are the 5 permanent members of United Nations Security Council. They are US, China, France, Russia and United Kingdom. Okay, so what did the agreement say? According to the agreement, the enrichment of uranium in Iran was to be shipped out of the country. Basically, it was to be reduced. Okay. And the use of uranium in Iran was to be reduced. Also, heavy water facility of Iran was to be rendered inoperable. And the operational nuclear facilities were brought under international inspection. Okay, and in return, the international sanctions against Iran were lifted. So this was the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action that was signed in 2015. Now, Chabahar port is located in Gulf of Oman. This is the Gulf of Oman, and this port is just 72 kilometers from that of the Gwadar port located in Pakistan. The Gwadar port is being built by China in Pakistan. Okay. Now, the Chabahar port is the only oceanic port of Iran. It consists of 2 separate ports called Shahid Beheshti and Shahid Kalantari. In May 2016, India, Iran and Afghanistan signed a trilateral agreement to establish transit and transport corridor. This corridor involves all 3 ways of transport: seaway, roadway and railway, and it connects India, Iran and Afghanistan. Okay, this is the route. Now, the Chabahar port in Iran is one of the regional hubs for transportation. You can see that the Chabahar port, the location of the Chabahar port is of great strategic importance, because through this Gulf of Oman, 80% of oil transport passes. Okay, the major consumers of oil are India and China, and to them the oil comes through this Gulf. So the location of Chabahar port is of great importance. Now, under the agreement, India also agreed to construct a rail line from Chabahar port to Zahedan. Okay, this line from Chabahar port to Zahedan. Also, it agreed to construct a alternate trade route to Afghanistan along the border. Okay, from Zahedan to Kabul. And this was also a part of the agreement. So this was to be implemented by Indian Railways Construction Limited and the amount allocated to this particular project is 1.6 billion USD. However, in July 2020, Iran dropped India out of this rail project and continued to implement the project with Afghanistan. Why did Iran do so? Iran cited that India has been delaying its funding towards the project. Okay, so Iran dropped India out of the project. Now, why did India delay? Because of US sanctions. Okay, also US had imposed CAATSA. Okay, CAATSA, though it is against Russia, CAATSA says that whoever is making close trade deals with Russia, then US will impose sanctions on them, against them. So that though Russia and Iran have close ties, okay, therefore India was hesitant to move ahead in the project. Okay, now the Chabahar port is being considered as a gateway to golden opportunities for trade by all the three countries, India, Afghanistan and Iran. Okay, now what is the agreement about? The agreement mainly deals with the investment of India in Chabahar. Okay, it is related to different types of machinery and equipment. The equipment will be worth of 85 million USD. In the second deal, India agreed to invest 150 million USD in the build of the port. Additionally, 500 million USD credit was to be made available, but this has been currently put on hold. All is because of the US sanctions that was imposed in October, November. Okay. Now, according to the deal, Iran's RA Banadar and India Ports Global Private Limited will develop and operate 2 terminals and 5 berths in Chabahar port for 10 years. Okay. So this Shahid Beheshti port consists of 5-phase development plan. In December 2017, phase 1 was inaugurated, and even goods has been transported between India and Iran after the completion of this phase. Okay, and it expanded the port capacity from 2.5 million tons to 8.5 million tons. Around 1 billion USD was spent in completing phase 1. Another important key factor of this Chabahar port project is the Zaranj-Dilaram highway in Afghanistan. Okay, it is a 215 kilometer long highway that is already built in Afghanistan through assistance provided by India. Okay. Now, why is Chabahar port important to India? It will boost trade ties, diplomatic ties and military ties with Iran. Also, it will provide India a better connectivity to Afghanistan bypassing Pakistan. Pakistan has been denying permission to India to increase its trade with Afghanistan. Okay, as you can see, though we share a very small border with Afghanistan and all trade routes have to be passed through Pakistan in order to deliver goods or make trade deals with Afghanistan, and Pakistan has been denying us the permission. So we are choosing this alternate route through Iran to develop our trade with Afghanistan. Now it will be the gateway to the international north-south transport corridor. This north-south transport corridor is a combination of road, rail and sea routes. It connects Russia, Europe, Central Asia, Iran and India. Okay, also India can carry out humanitarian operation from this port if in need. The port is just 170 kilometers from the Gwadar port that is operated by China in Pakistan. Therefore, this port is of strategic importance to the Indian Navy.